Dear students, today's topic is plant hormones, part second, and in this we are going to talk about gibberellins, abscisic acid, and ethylene. In the previous class, we did discuss about auxins and cytokinins, the two hormones, phytohormones. Today, as we choice, three hormone is gibberellins and gibberellic acid. The MG functions. Gibberellins produce growing tips of the plants and must stimulate division of cells and their elongation. The physiological effects number one is elongation of stem, then number second is reversal of dormancy and parthenocarpy, that is formation of seedless fruits, formation of fruits without pollination and fertilization, which results in the production of seedless fruits. Then the fourth is substituting cold treatment. Other one is they induce seed germination, gibberellins, gibberellic acid, and they help in the breaking of dormancy. Seed dormancy break and bolting and cell division in cambium. Ethai pach biak plant hormone atachis wana tsorium abscisic acid ya ABA ya achis biak nati wana stress hormone. Abscisic acids they are formed in leaves and then transported via phloem to apices. Act as growth inhibitors. Abscisic acid. The MG physiological function is bud dormancy, induce inhibition of growth, growth recover, and closing of stomata during stress condition. Promote leap senescence and acceleration of abscission, and it favors stomatal closure. Function abscisic acid. Then the fifth one is ethylene. Ethylene tamam plant tissues produce. Pachi via diffusion move. The MG physiological effects each inhibitor growth inhibitory effect on growth. The Beshi induce doim function ripening of fruits. Then image three function induce epinacity of leaves, that is downward bending of leaves. Epinacity downward bending of leaves. Sodium function image inhibit elongation, magar induce isodiametric enlargement of cells. Poison function ethylene stimulate seed germination in some species. Species in months. The Beshi stimulate abscission of various plant parts. Break damaging of several plant organs, for example, suppression of bud growth. Beshi induce root hair formation. Beshi flowering induce kathmas in pineapple, and it controls oxygen level in tissues. This function ethylene. Biak topic photoperiodism and flowering. Chunki pata ki kul ekis khas times flowering gasa yani posh nera ekis khas vari ekis khas times mans. So ye flowering ish variah factors gasa control. Control variah factor like photoperiod. Photoperiod gai daily duration of light and temperature. Yani dohas mans kota katis times roizi light ya be darkest mans. You see term as photoperiodism. The scientist is Garner, Allard. Amvayo curried term coin in the year 1920. The term this Amvayo. Acha. Photoperiodism image definition kya response of plants to the relative lengths and alternations of light and dark periods with regard to initiation of flowering. That is one photoperiodism. Yani kul katis times ges rozun light imaz the darkest maz. Taki imaz ges flowering ges imas initiate. Yani neran flowers. That is one photoperiodism. On the basis of photoperiodism, imquil chasa divide into three types. They are classified into three types. Number one is short day plants, yani SDP. Yani some plants which need longer dark periods for flowering. Yani tam hi kuil yemazante zyada dark times asa zurat kim khatar flowering khatar. Atma chema as tobacco, be chema as dahlia, be chema as rice cosmos. Issue rice cosmos asli. तो इथे पे ब्याक लॉन्ग डे प्लांट्स यानी राइस की राइस कॉस्मोस COS इथे पे नश बिस वन लॉन्ग डे प्लांट्स यानी हम गई तम ही कुल विच नीड शॉर्टर डार्क पीरियड्स फॉर फ्लावरिंग यानी यमन जन कम डार्क टाइम जरूरत कम खतर फ्लावरिंग खतर अत मे प्लांट्स लाइक वीट ओट रेडिश एंड लेट्यूस हम गई सारी लॉन्ग डे प्लांट्स इथे पे ब्याक द थर्ड टाइप इज कॉल्ड डे न्यूट्रल प्लांट्स हम गई तम ही प्लांट्स विच आर नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन फोटो पीरियड फॉर फ्लावरिंग यानी यम जन फोटो पीरियड्स पे डिपेंड कह फ्लावरिंग खतर अत मज प्लांट्स लाइक टोमेटो सनफ्लावर दीज आर कॉल्ड एज डे न्यूट्रल प्लांट्स थैंक यू